Then we are having editing the data. So we have imported the data and I'm planning to add few more columns into my data. If it is possible, yes, it is possible to add additional columns into our data. And whatever operation we are performing in our data inside our program, it will not affect our actual data set. Okay, that CSV file, it is not going to get any update or get affected. Nothing is going to happen because in our program it has taken a copy of that particular information only, not it is not connected with that particular file. So here whatever modification you want, you can do it, and it is not going to affect our actual data set. So here in my program, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to add the HP value and then the attack value, and I'm planning to create a new column called power. Okay, so after adding the new column, I can check okay, whether it has been added or not by just giving the data set yet of 5. So to adding a new column is very simple. All you need to do is give the data set, and then in the square bracket you have to mention the column name, new column name you want to use, that you have to mention. Then we can give what operation you are going to perform, you can give. If you are giving the already existing column name means, we all know, right, what will happen, it will try to update the existing value. Suppose if I want to remove a particular column, so I don't need this particular column. For example, if you are taking any data set means few column, it will not give any meaning or it will not be needed for further analysis. So those columns and all we try to remove it to reduce the column size. So to do that, we have to give this particular method called drop method. So you have to give drop. Inside that columns attribute will be there. Columns, we have to give it as columns, not column, even if you are giving a single column. And equal to, in the square bracket, we have to mention the column names. If you are having multiple column names, we can separate them by comma, and we have to specify the column name. Then automatically those columns will be removed from our data set. And I'm saving that particular value. Okay, after removing that particular column, it will create a new data set only. And I'm trying to store it in the same variable. So what will happen? It will get updated to our new data. Instead of creating multiple variables to store the data, we are reusing the same variable name. In case you need the original data, and you are planning to perform various operation with the new data. In that case, maybe if you want means you can store it in a separate variable.